Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting video for you. Platform Developer 1 Certification Maintenance Winter 25. Let's dive right into our first challenge. I'll be marking the answers right away as we go along. Now, let's check the results. Yay! We've successfully completed our first challenge. Now, let's move on to our second challenge. Scroll down and click on Launch to start working on it. Next, click on the gear icon and select Developer Console. I'll provide the complete code in the comments section. You can find it pinned there. Let's create an Apex class. To do this, click on File, New, Apex class, give it a name, and click OK. A new Apex class will be created for you. You can find the code in the pinned comment section. Once done, save the Apex class. Now, let's create a test class for this Apex class. Again, go to File, New, Apex class, give a name for the test class, and click OK. I'll paste the test class code, which you can also find in the comments section. Once done, save both classes. To test your code, go to Test Run All. Run is successful. Then, select Test New Run, choose your test class and method, and click on the Run button. Finally, let's check our challenge by clicking here. Yay! We've successfully completed our second challenge.